We have a layover day in Olathe, Kansas, and so several of the guys are out doing their maintenance. Oil change needs to be done at least every 500 miles, and they got to check the transmission screens. So Mark's finished up and is now packing all his tools and everything back in the trunk. Dave McAlpin is having a little trouble with his tires wearing, and so Mark and Dave are working together to make the adjustment so the tires will wear more evenly. Some of the Kansas City chuggers came down to see us. We've toured with them many times.
Is that too close?
That's good. So Greg, what are you working on today?
Oh, we did an oil change. We greased everything, going through and checking bolts for tightness, check the suspension, check the steering components, make sure everything is tight. Going to fix a leak in the radiator.
Where's the leak?
Right under the top tank here. Yeah. Right way up underneath the top tank here.
So how do you fix that?
Well, we might
turn the car upside down.
Turn the car upside
We
down.
haven't quite figured it out yet. We're working on it.
we got the rest of the day to figure it out. So.
All right, that sounds good. The Haugies are working on their car maintenance. Greg and Andy, what do you have going on here?
Oh, we're replacing a rear axle seal.
So what does that entail?
Take the rear wheel off, take the outer seal off, take the wheel bearing out, replace the clean all the grease off, then replace the inner seal and put it all back together.
Okay. You couldn't pick a shady spot to do that in?
Well, we figured it was going to eventually go down.
Okay.
So we'll be ready for that part.
All right. Good. Thank you, Thayton, for welding Ryan's bolt onto his muffler pipe. To do some of the maintenance, you actually have to take the floorboards off so that you can access the transmission cover. It's always something with a Model T. John, what are you working on now?
Everything. Oil change, grease, all that kind of stuff.
And you have him polishing the brass for you?
Yeah.
He's doing the
This is
hard
Don.
work.
He's just joined us. He's going to be going to Pocatello with us.
Okay, is he riding with you?
He's riding with me.
All right. What are you working on for your repairs today, Dominic?
I'm looking for the flap for an Anderson timer that I have in my parts selection, but it's eluded me to this point. Unfortunately, we got a whole day.
Got a whole
Sun
day.
shining, so all is right with the world.
Meet Simon and Katie in their Model T.
Hello, my name is Simon Ever. This is my lovely wife Katie. We just got married in the fall, October, so we're getting close. And on 6 months here, and she let me go across the country. And this is 1924 Touring car, and she came with me. And the car got finished on Thursday, and we left for New York on Saturday. So it's not even 2 weeks old yet.
enjoying the tour?
Yes.
Okay.
Trip of a lifetime. I've wanted to go ever since I was 15. So,
Okay.
and the last one happened.
We're glad to have you and have a great time.
Thank you.
This is Kevin Pruse and his grandson Max.
Hi, we're from Ohio and North Carolina. And Max is riding.
What kind of maintenance did you do today? Oiled up the car?
Changed the flat tire. And ready to go further.
Have you enjoyed the trip so far? What's been the most fun?
He's a Ruxton shifter.
The Ruxton shifter. Has he let you drive it yet? A little bit? Well, he has to give you some more practice. You tell him that.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, this was his great grandpa's.
Great grandpa's car? How nice. Glad to keep it in the family.
Yep.
You have fun. Talk to you later. So what are you going to work on today?
I'm trying to keep that pin staying in my hood,
The pin on your hood keeps slipping?
slipping forward.
Okay, and so what's your plan
I just got
fixing it?
I got some advice to put a little goop on it and slide it back in, and maybe it'll hold it.
All right, we're going to watch that.
I'm gonna go look for goop.
All right.
We're gonna go Bass Pro.
Yeah, we're gonna buy some stuff.
Buy some stuff.
We're gonna
I'll let you know tomorrow how it makes out.
All right. What are you doing on your tee?
Just checking the water. But it's probably where it should be, so we'll let
All
it
right.
go.
Any other thing that you had to do today?
Yes, I replaced the timer
Okay.
this morning and all that heat. But I put what's called a TW timer in. The Anderson timer that I was using has been trouble for weeks.
So John, you're still doing some maintenance. What have you got going on there?
We're doing a bit of in the moving parts here, the kingpins and the spring shackles and so forth. Try and help her from wearing out too quickly. I like a bit of oil.
Got a little oil ports in. How often do you have to do that, John?
Oh, I'll have to do it every couple of days.
Okay.
We have the genuine Ford oil can.
Thanks for sharing that.